Hi, my routine. Monday. I get up at 5 in the morning. I take a bath. I get. I did breakfast. I brush my teeth and I go to work on the motorcycle. I return home lunch at 12 noon. Read and return to work. I finish working around 5 in the afternoon. I watch the activities of the university. I have dinner. I watch television and I go to bed. Tuesday. I get up at 5 in the morning. I water the plants. I teach. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I brush my teeth. I go to work in the motorcycle. I return to the house. I have lunch at 12 noon. I take break. I go back to work until 5 in the afternoon. I watch university activities. I have dinner. I watch television and I go to sleep. Wednesday. I get up at 5 in the morning. I make breakfast. I take a bath. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I brush my teeth. I go to work on the motorcycle. I return home. I have lunch at 12 noon. I take a break. I go back to work. And around 5 in the afternoon. I watch university activities. I have dinner. I watch television and I go to sleep. Saturdays. I get up at 5 in the morning. I take bath. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I brush my teeth before I go to work. I go shopping at the market. And then I go to work on the motorcycle. I return home. Lunch at 12 noon. I take break, go back to work and around 5 in the afternoon. I watch university activities. I have dinner. I watch television and I go to sleep. Friday. I get up at 5 in the morning. I bath. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I brush my teeth. I go to work on the motorcycle. I return home. I have lunch at 12 noon. I take a break, go back to work. I finish. I work and around 5 in the afternoon. I see university activity. I have dinner. I did some friends to chat for a while. Then I go to sleep. Saturday. I get up at 5 in the morning. I dress. I eat breakfast. I brush my teeth. I go to work on the motorcycle. I go home. I have lunch at 12 noon. In the afternoon, I meet my friend to chat and to play soccer. I go back to the house. I have dinner. I watch television and I go to sleep. Sunday. I get up at 6 in the morning. I wash. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to church, get my family, and I spend the rest of week then watching television and play. Thank you.